my gosh, I am so nervous. Today's a really big day. You can even like hear my voice shaking. Like, I don't know if I should be crying of like excitement or just like, I don't know. I don't know how this video is gonna go. I don't know if things are gonna go well. I don't know if things are gonna go really bad, but I figured I should just sit down. I should do an update video. This is involving my mouth. And then I also have a few other life updates that I wanna share with you, some good, some bad. So this video is definitely gonna be kind of all over the place and hopefully interesting. There is one thing I wanted to kind of give you a heads up about. I thought this was just a good video to mention it just because of the timing. So this coming Saturday, okay? Saturday, November 23rd, mark your calendars at 9 a.m. Eastern time. I'm posting another Shays Deals video. This time is kind of like a Shays Black Friday deals. So it's full of gift ideas for a lot of people in your life. Obviously you can get stuff for yourself. It's kind of like a gift video, but oh my gosh, so good. So good. Everything's between like 50 to 80% off, but like for real, okay? There's limited quantities. It's only gonna last 3 days this time. And that's really why I wanted to tell you that you should watch it on Saturday, but you don't have like a week, or I think usually I do 10 days. That's just too long. The brands kind of lose money on this deal because the deals are that good. So I only get to like share it with you guys. It's 3 days. So jump on that when it goes live on Saturday. I guess this is kind of like a happier update. But yeah, so as some of you know, and maybe not all of you, you can go back and watch my whole teeth and dental journey. But back in December of 2023, so almost a full year ago, I had my front four bottom teeth extracted. There was a crazy infection down there from a cracked root canal. It had been kind of festering for years. I didn't even really know it. So anyway, I'm getting today my front four teeth, like the actual, here, look. I've been rocking this retainer for almost a full year. But so anyway, I had the extractions done, and you can again go back and watch. I made videos about this, and then in June of this year, I had implants, like 2 implants placed here. They're ceramic implants, and so all of this takes healing time. And so today I'm going to my dentist, and they're gonna place the unit that will be permanent here. People watching this should be like, Shay, you should be so excited. Yeah, but like everything goes wrong. Everything goes wrong. There's a chance it won't fit. There's a chance it won't look right. There's a chance it will fit and be okay, but then what if it doesn't, like, it's not right with my other teeth? Let me just put this back in. We can always send it back. We can send it back and the lab can make tweaks and changes. So maybe today I won't even get anything. I don't know. I'm more concerned about, I just want it to feel okay. I don't want to have more issues. Every single thing that could go wrong with me and my teeth happens. And I don't mean to be that annoying, negative person that's putting out bad energy and vibes. But the thing is, that's the truth. Like things just, if they can go wrong, they will go wrong. So let's just see what happens. Okay, I'm here. Last time maybe wearing this, or maybe I have a few more weeks, but let's see what happens. And that was a complete fail. Complete freaking fail. It is the next day. I needed time to process, and what I was scared of happening pretty much happened. There's a couple things. You saw them putting it in my mouth for the first time, and I was like, oh my gosh. I immediately could tell on their faces that it was so bad. There's so many things wrong with it. And this isn't completely abnormal. A lot of times labs, develop something and then you have to send it back and forth a few times to get it perfect. But the first problem, and I'm gonna insert a video that I took, and this is so embarrassing because it looks so bad. Too white. It was so bright white. It looked atrocious in my mouth. I mean, my dentist immediately was like, yeah, no, this is horrendous. So it was way too white and it was way too straight across. My dentist wants them to make it look more like individual teeth. The shading is completely wrong. It needs to be darker on the bottom and gradually get lighter at the top like a normal tooth. Just it was all one dimensional and just awful. I knew immediately within the first 10 seconds that they were not happy with it. We're sending it back. So I don't know when it will be sent back again, and the odds that I will need to send it a third, fourth time, probably high. I don't know when the heck I'm getting my freaking teeth. So I'm just gonna post this video and share the process. But what I was not necessarily anticipating and what I was scared of, it hurt when they were screwing it in. And at first I was just mortified because I was like, what the heck is this? I mean, it was bad pain. They assured me that it actually is okay because it was just my gum line. They have to really make it tight against the gum line. And on this side, my gums are just naturally way higher and it's like lower on this side. And the unit that they made was just even across. And so it was basically just like scrunching down my gums super flat. I even like looked in the mirror and it was like white. My gums were like white. And they said like, oh, the blood will come back. And this pain did subside, but I was actually relieved when they took it out to send it back. I was like, get this thing out of my freaking mouth. So I know they'll be able to adjust it and they'll make it better, but that's where we are. I have no idea what the outcome will be, but now I'm just worrying about it because yeah, it was kind of a disaster, but I'm hopeful that the lab will eventually get it correct. So let's just move on to another thing I wanted to update you on, which is kind of like a happier thing. It still involves teeth. I just wanted to give you kind of a backstory and update in that I said in my previous teeth videos that this is an area that I really struggle with. And, you know, I do have the means to attempt to fix it. Is it even working? I don't know. I have money that I can try to address my problem, but there's so many of you watching this video that you guys are struggling so much because you don't have the financial means to try to fix your dental problems. And so I got literally hundreds of emails from people asking that I help them. And I said that, I said in my video, I wanted to do that. So I wanted to give you an update that I did in fact help people, like a lot of people, some like very minor, others significantly. And I just want to say I got so many freaking emails and I can't help everyone. I mean, I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars in helping other people. So I'm really sorry if this upsets you that I wasn't able to help you. I am not saying this or giving this update to pat myself on the back, but I wanted to just show you that I'm true to my word. And I want to give you like a little transformation. I thought that would be fun because this wonderful person, her name's Rain. We've actually gotten to know each other over the last year. She actually sent me a video in response to my video where I was breaking down, really upset about my dental situation. So I want to play this initial video for you, and it's just a small little snippet of it just to show you where she was in her life, where like her teeth were literally just falling out of her mouth. And she was so apprehensive about me even sharing this video because it was only meant for me, but she thought it would be like a good transformation thing and just to show you like how far she's come. So I'm going to play you just a short little tiny snippet of this video and then I'll be back.
Hi, Shay. First off, I apologize for the way I'm speaking. I am already losing my teeth. I'm gonna have dental implants myself. I've been trying to find the funding for 10 months. I'm an only child of only children, and I'm single. Unlike you, I do not have anybody immediately surrounding me. I don't have anyone. And I want to tell you, this is not a pity party. This is me. I was gonna, send you an email to tell you about all this, but I figured a video would be shorter. My teeth are already falling out.
So I just felt so compelled to help her. I mean, a lot of the emails I got were just so sad and heartbreaking too. And like I said, it's really hard to like decide who I'm gonna help and whatnot, because the thing is I wanted to go through the dentist. Like I wired money directly to dentist's office because I just was scared people were trying to like scam me. But anyway, I felt really connected to Rain. We went back and forth. I wired her dentist or her surgeon's office. It was like 5 figures. And she was able to have teeth pulled and a whole mouth restoration. And again, please don't think that I'm saying like I am amazing. I just wanted you guys to know that I wasn't just like faking that like I really wanted to help people. So here's what she looks like and talks like now. She's a completely new person.
Ta-da! To say that I'm grateful for these dental implants is an understatement, because they have truly given me a new lease on life. Now I can actively engage in conversations and have a big smile on my face. When I received a call from the dental office handling the implants, and Matt, who had worked with me for months, as he knew I was striving to secure the financing, informed me that Josh had called and made the payment toward my account. Matt got real quiet, and then he said, You know, this is a God thing, yes? I obviously still become emotional when I think of the amazing gift shown to me. Thank you so much. Thank you for this blessing.
So anyway, I just wanted to share that wonderful transformation. She is so much happier and she's healthier and just everything is so much better for her. And I'm so, so happy that I was able to kind of help with that. And it's, you know, to be honest, it's because of my YouTube channel. I know there's so many of you out there that are still just in a horrible spot. And to be honest, I'm not in a great spot yet either. And it's not even just because of this. I mean, I'm still just like, there's issues. There's just issues. Maybe one day I will get through a day where I'm not worrying and, you know, having crazy anxiety about my teeth. It's just, I know that teeth lead to other issues. And I think that's where I just get in my head and I can spiral. So anyway, I'm sure more updates will be coming your way. I want to just continually share my journey with this because I do think it is helpful to others. Thanks for watching my videos. You guys are wonderful, and I will see you in my next video, that deals video, which is, again, happier. Be sure to check that out. I'll see you soon. Bye.